Hello everyone. Today I was just browsing and I came along a viral math problem which has caused a big controversy on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and other social media sites. So I decided to do a video on it. So what is the correct answer to this mathematical expression? Well, the people have two different opinions on it. And in this video we're going to see why this mathematical expression is such a big controversy, and we're going to see the correct answer. One answer is by the Podmass Rule and the other answer is from a historical perspective. I googled it and I found out that the order of operations did have a slightly different understanding in certain texts in 1917 or before. So first we are going to solve it by the Podmass rule. So in the Podmass rule we solve the brackets first, then the orders, division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So coming to our problem, we have 1 plus 2 in the brackets. So first of all we will solve this. 1 plus 2 is 3. As the brackets here mean 2 is multiplying by 3, so we will write it as this. Now in the Podmass rule, division has a precedence over multiplication, so we will divide this part first. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in the end we will multiply. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 is the correct answer, but as I have told you earlier, there is another answer from a historical perspective. So now we're going to see how the order of operations affect the answer. So the first part of the equation is the same as before. We have an expression in the brackets, so we're going to solve it first. 1 plus 2 is 3. The debate then centers around this division symbol. So what does this mean that we have 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 3? While there were textbooks and there was a lot of usage that if you had this division symbol where you had something on the left divided by something on the right, this was understood to mean that you want to divide the entire product on the left hand side by the entire product on the right hand side. So for example, if we have this division symbol in which x is divided by the product of 2y, this would actually mean that this would actually mean that 2y, the product 2y, is in the denominator of x. So under this historical usage, which is a special exception to the order of operations, and we actually don't use it anymore. So if we solve our mathematical expression by this rule or by following this example, we would take 2 parenthesis 3 as our divisor. By applying this rule would then lead us to this expression 6 with the denominator 2 parenthesis 3. We will now solve the multiplication in the denominator. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and it converts our expression into 6 over 6, which is actually equal to 1. So many people argue that 1 is the correct answer, and there's some historical justification of this because of the way text used to use the division symbol. I would suggest that this is because of some historical artifact about typesetting. Nowadays we don't use this practice, instead we follow the order of operations. If we want to have a fraction, we will put it like 6 over 6 like over here. So the correct answer to this mathematical expression is 9. But there is some historical justification for the answer 1, but it's not how we will interpret the problem today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button.